Hello everyone, welcome to my channel King Suk's Art, and today I will show you how to draw Arnold Shortman from Hey Arnold. So let's get started with the drawing. Before starting, first of all we need to understand the basic shapes in the drawing, like the head, the body and the legs, and keeping that in mind we will proceed with the drawing. So before proceeding with the video, we need to draw the areas from where to where we're gonna draw. From here to till here, say, and keeping a gap till here, we'll be drawing Arnold's head, which is just like a human eye or an American football. So actually during the show he was also known as a football head, as his head was like that. Now in these two corners we will be drawing two circles, which will be the ears, and here we will be drawing another circle, which will be the eyes. And keeping a distance till here, we will be drawing another circle for another eye, and just here you will be drawing an inverted alphabet C for the nose, and a little bit smile over here, and keeping a distance till here you will be drawing the cap, which is always wearing, which is a small cap. Now we will be deepen the outline drawn. Arnold Philip Shortman is actually the protagonist of Nickelodeon's one of the famous animated show, Hey Arnold. And now the cap is ready. Now we will proceed with the eyes. Created by Craig Bartlett. He is an 9 years old boy, Arnold, though he has been appearing as a 2D animation cartoon character since 1996 to 2004 throughout 5 seasons, which was telecast in Nickelodeon. But he has appeared way back before that. I mean, in the late 80s he appeared as a clay motion animation, which was also created by Craig Bartlett. Now we'll be doing the hair, which is a little bit funny and a big hair like this. A few lines here. Now we'll need to do another side of the hair. So same thing goes here. We'll be drawing the hair like this only. So let's start with the body. It's kind of a rectangle like thing. Yeah, straight line like this here. It also look kind of a brick like thing here. Now we need to do the collars. of the shirt he's wearing. We will drawing the hand from over here, which will be extended till here. Another fun fact about Arnold is that his full name was never really revealed during the show. In many episodes, the characters came closer to revealing his name, but was interrupted due to various certain reasons. But afterwards, the creator himself, that is Craig Bartlett, eventually revealed his name being Arnold Philip Shortman, which was actually confirmed in the Jungle movie, which was released in 2017. So from then we got to know that the full name of Arnold was Arnold Philip Shortman. Actually, Philip was Arnold's grandfather's name, and his grandfather used to call him Shortman always during the show, which actually gave us a hint that maybe his name would have been Arnold Shortman. Anyways, these are the shirts. Now you can erase whenever you want. If you have make any mistakes, you can erase whenever you want. And from straight line we'll draw here, which is the legs, and this is the back portion of the shirt being seen from here. And now do another circle, another one here for the shoes. And okay, the shoes are ready. Arnold also have a love interest known as Helga. I will be drawing Helga some other time, so be in touch with my channel. Now we need to give some design to his shirts. Few lines here like this, another one here, and this like this. So here my drawing of Arnold Shortman is complete. So thanks for watching my video, and be in touch with my channel so that you can see more of such cartoon character tutorials. So till then, take care and keep drawing.